Stop. Before you scroll, if you're still living paycheck to paycheck in 2026, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Because the reason you're not getting ahead is probably not your salary. It's 8 small money habits you don't even realize you're doing. And if you don't fix them now, you'll wake up 10 years from today still stuck. Let's reset that. It's 2026. Everything feels expensive. Groceries cost more. Rent is higher. Gas prices hurt. And maybe you're working hard, but still thinking, why am I not moving forward? Let me tell you something honest. It's not always your income. It's your habits. Small habits, daily habits, automatic habits. And today, we're going to reset them. Be honest. When your salary comes, what happens? Bills, subscriptions, food, random spending. And then you say, I'll save whatever is left. But nothing is left. Here's the shift. Save first. Even if it's small. Even if it's 5%, 10%. When you save first, you tell yourself, my future matters. That changes everything. This one hurts. You see your friends going to fancy places, Instagram trips, new cars, and you feel pressure. But listen carefully. Many people look rich, but they are stressed and in debt. You have 2 choices: look rich or become rich. Real wealth is quiet. You don't need to prove anything. I'll get cash back. I'll earn points. Sounds smart, right? But then you spend more than planned. 2% cash back does not save you if you overspend 100%. Simple rule. If you don't have the money in your bank, don't swipe. Control feels better than points. Some people don't check their balance because they're scared. I understand. I've been there. But avoiding money creates anxiety. Checking money creates control. Just 10 minutes a week. Look at your income. Look at your spending. Clarity brings confidence. In 2026, debt is everywhere. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later. But normal does not mean healthy. High interest eats your future. Before taking debt, ask yourself, is this building my future or just feeding my ego? Freedom feels better than a new car. Late fees, overdraft fees, forgotten subscriptions, small mistakes, but over time, they become big losses. Wealth is not built from big, lucky moves. It's protected by small, smart decisions. Plan a little, save a lot.
Most people never learn this. Taxes will be your biggest lifetime expense. But smart people don't just earn more. They keep more. In the next episodes, I'll show you simple ways to legally reduce taxes. Because keeping money is more powerful than chasing more money. This is the biggest mistake. I'll start when I earn more. But investing rewards time, not perfection. Even $50 per month, started today, is better than $500 started 5 years later. The market rewards action, not excuses. Let me ask you something. If your future self, 10 years from now, could talk to you today, what would they say? Thank you for starting. Or, why did you wait? 2026 is not easy, but your habits can make it easier. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. This is episode 1 of your financial reset. Next episode, I'll show you the 15-minute weekly routine that can completely change your money life. Don't miss it, because this time, we're not just watching videos. We're building freedom.